Get your 2018 started right by getting that home do-it-yourself project underway with Fry and Cox's new lumber section that includes quarter sheets of plywood, 2x4s, 1x8s, 1x4s, 1x3s, trim, molding, with lots more coming in soon. Now at 401 South 1st Street in Muleshoe, Texas, Fry and Cox. All remaining Christmas items are marked half off, including stockings, ornaments, wreath kits, cookie jars, and Christmas home decor pieces. Step up your curb appeal in 2018 with a new mailbox with wooden or steel decorative mailbox posts available. Fry and Cox has also a great selection of ladders, including podium and telescoping ladders, step ladders, and 16, 20, and 24-foot extension ladders. Check out the ChannelLock 24-inch rolling toolbox or the 26-inch ChanelLock toolbox with removable organizer. Fry and Cox also has the Stanley Fatmax Tool Boxes and old-fashioned metal toolboxes in several different sizes, along with hardware and craft storage utility boxes. Don't forget about Fry and Cox's new sewing center with new sewing notions arriving daily, all available at Fry and Cox, 401 South 1st Street in Muleshoe, Texas. They're open Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. until 6 p.m.